Hey everybody, so today, as you know, we're going to be building a subwoofer. Here is the basic design sketched out in Photoshop, and really I've just kind of thrown this out here really quickly. Now, this is going to be a surfacing exercise primarily. We're not going to be focusing on iteration as we have in the past. We're not going to focus on mechanical details so much, maybe a little bit. But mainly we're going to focus on building some beautiful, clean surfaces that can be used later on for adding mechanical detail and all that kind of stuff. Now, this is a pretty fanciful design, obviously, but I wanted to bring some level of realism to it. And so to do that, first of all, we are going to need this image. I'm going to include this PNG image, transparent ping image for you. Another thing I'm going to include is a low opacity PNG as well, a nice, very, very transparent one that we can use in SOLIDWORKS, and it's going to look great. It's just going to make life look really nice in SOLIDWORKS as we're working. Okay, the other thing you need to do, and you have to do this on your own, first of all, head over to GrabCAD. And if you don't use GrabCAD, I definitely recommend it. You should sign up and get a basic membership, at least so that you can download some of the free models that are out there, like this one. This is a very cool one. You just go up to the Search tab and type in Solidex. That's SOLIDEX. Then down at the bottom, you'll see there is an 8-inch Solidex subwoofer. That is what you see here. It's an incredibly detailed model. It is a lot of fun to work with. You can see the cross-section of it here. They have it all in there. Very, very cool model. We're going to open it up and look at it in 3D later. Definitely download that. You'll end up with some SOLIDWORKS files that we can open. Also, head over to McMasterCAM. McMaster, if you don't know, is a great place to order machine parts. They're not the cheapest place, but they do have everything in the world, and they have CAD files for all of it, which makes life really easy for us in particular. We want to go to the screws and bolts at the top. We're going to use some socket head cap screws, and we're going to use the standard black oxide alloy steel ones. And they only have inch sizes of these, but they do have a lot of different sizes and threads. Fret not. All you have to do is choose your thread size to start with. So we want a number 10 screw with 32 threads per inch. That'll be a 1032 for us. And then we're going to choose, let's say, about a 1/2 inch screw. Let's find our 1/2 inch there. And here it finds us that one product, the black oxide alloy steel 1032 1/2 inch. And if we click on the part number, then down below that, this little drop down has a CAD button. You click that, and all of a sudden, like magic, you've got the 3D SOLIDWORKS file as an option. You hit save, and now all of a sudden you have that saved out, and it's a really cool, very detailed model. In fact, if we open that up, it's got the threads and everything. Very, very cool stuff. So we're going to be using those two models in this series as well as that image. I've gone ahead and put all of those into a single folder. So you can see I have my 8-inch subfolder here that has all of the assembly parts for that subwoofer. We have my cap screw, and we have those two images as well as what's going to be our assembly. All right, let's jump in and get started.